Donc l'état de mon plancher sous les divans, full trotté. Et voici comment fonctionne ma Tineco. C'est parti. On ramasse toutes les graines. Puis on lave le plancher en même temps. Moi j'ai encore un petit peu plus, parce que je nettoie tout ça. C'est parce que c'est trop fort.
Hi, I just want to give a live look of the floor one. It's a S5 Smart Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum. It's a cleaner and mop for hard floors. It's a digital display, long run time. It's great for sticky messes and pet hair, and it saves on. It's great for all floors. It cleans up milk or anything like eggs, ketchup, food, just any kind of big waste. It's red debris detected, and blue for blue debris cleared, and it's got a loop smart sensor technology, and it's got 35 minutes running time, improved edge cleaning, and it's large water tank, easy maintenance, it's easy change and needy store, it's app connectivity. It's a very great product to own because you can do a lot of stuff with this, and she's up there in price, but she's sure gonna, especially you can do this for hotels, it's gonna give you a great cleaning. There's the charging thing. I have too much stuff in here to where I'm at. I'm in a hotel, so there's too much stuff, so that's why I have it out here. But she does work good, and I already tested. But she's a well-made quality, and she moves around. She's very flexible. She moves. I'll show you some of the parts. But here's the cleaning solution. Here's the filter. But anyway, wherever you're watching from, have a great morning or a great evening, and thanks for watching my video review.
Fait que voici la merde que mon sapin de Noël a faite quand je l'ai démanché. On sort la grande chum.
Installer le réservoir d'eau sale. Mettre l'appareil hors tension. Mode auto. Installer le réservoir d'eau sale. Mettre l'appareil hors tension. Mode auto. Installer le réservoir d'eau sale. Mettre l'appareil hors tension. Mode auto. Installer le réservoir. Please charge. Mode auto. Auto mode. Please clean the brush roller. Power off. Auto mode. Please clean the brush roller. Power off. Please try to restart or contact customer service.
Looks like open box to me. Just open up.
The cleaning effect is not good. Please replace the brush roller. Power off.
Holy.